As the world witnesses rapid urbanization and the expansion of residential areas, the proper management of wastewater becomes paramount to maintain both environmental health and human well-being. In this regard, septic tanks and wastewater treatment systems play a crucial role, particularly in areas without access to centralized sewage infrastructure. To ensure the responsible installation and operation of these systems, adherence to established codes of practice is imperative. This essay delves into the significance of adhering to the code of practice for new builds concerning septic tanks and wastewater systems. Setting the framework, regulatory requirements. Planning and constructing new homes involves a complex interplay of various considerations, one of which is the efficient and safe disposal of wastewater. In the context of septic tanks and wastewater systems, several regulatory documents and codes of practice come into play. Code of Practice for Domestic Wastewater Treatment Systems. This code outlines the necessary guidelines for domestic wastewater treatment systems with an equivalent population of up to 10 people. It ensures that the site assessment, installation, and operation of these systems are in line with environmental and health standards. Building Regulations, Technical Manual H, Drainage and Wastewater Treatment. Within the framework of building regulations, the Technical Manual H sets forth specific requirements for drainage and wastewater treatment, including the construction of septic tank systems. Standard Recommendation, SR, 66 and N 12566 standards. These standards provide detailed technical specifications for wastewater treatment systems, offering a comprehensive reference for ensuring the proper functioning of septic tanks. It is important to note that the 2021 Code of Practice applies to site assessments and installations performed after June 7, 2021, while the 2009 Code of Practice remains relevant for activities before that date. Site Suitability Assessment, a prerequisite for responsible development. New home planning applications are obligated to demonstrate the suitability of the proposed septic tank system for the site. This involves rigorous evaluation of various factors such as terrain steepness, available space, soil depth, and proper drainage. Landlords are required to engage qualified professionals who conduct on-site inspections to ensure that the chosen location meets these criteria. Moreover, these evaluations determine the appropriate type of wastewater treatment system for the site. Diversified solutions for complex sites. Recognizing that not all sites can accommodate a standard septic tank and seepage area, the Code of Practice allows for alternative solutions. These alternatives include the incorporation of additional filtration systems such as soil and sand filters, artificial wetlands, media filters, like peat and coconut, and ventilation systems on willow beds. This flexibility ensures that wastewater treatment systems can be tailored to the specific conditions of each site. Ensuring compliance and sustainable development. While the Code of Practice provides guidance for responsible development, it is vital to acknowledge that the final decision regarding site suitability and compliance rests with local planning authorities. Additionally, in cases where discharge into surface water is proposed as an alternative, obtaining a Water Pollution Act permit from the relevant city or county council is mandatory. Addressing common questions and facilitating awareness. To facilitate a smooth understanding of the Code of Practice, authorities have prepared resources to address common questions and concerns regarding its implementation. These resources offer clarification on various aspects of septic tank systems and wastewater treatment, contributing to increased awareness and compliance. Conclusion. The Code of Practice for new builds concerning septic tanks and wastewater systems is a crucial instrument for responsible development in areas without centralized sewage infrastructure. By adhering to these guidelines, developers and homeowners ensure that the environmental and health implications of wastewater management are duly considered. Moreover, the integration of alternative solutions for complex sites demonstrates the adaptability of these systems to diverse conditions. As urbanization continues, the conscientious adherence to such codes of practice becomes a cornerstone of sustainable living and responsible development. If questions arise during the planning and construction process, the collaboration with local authorities further ensures the alignment of efforts toward a healthier and more environmentally conscious future.